So was he nominated for vice president, Frederick Douglass?
Yeah, I think he didn't even know about it too. He was kind of irritated about that.
He was pissed off.
So he was funny. I visited his home. Yeah.
So hang on.
I don't.
So
I don't know. I'm
no, but I did see something about this. Without his knowledge, he was nominated for vice president, and he just woke up one day and they were like, "Hey,
a third party, probably a minor party."
Yeah. But still, I mean, that's one hell of a thing to wake up to. Is like, hey, you're nominated for vice president.
Yeah. How does one respond to something like that?
Yeah. Be mad, man.
Yeah.
He was an interesting. He can be prickly. A couple of years ago, I visited his home in Anacostia. It's south of the capital in Washington D.C. And he had this building in the back of his house, and it's basically a glorified shed that he made into an office. So when he went into his office, and all his friends call it the growlery. Because when you went out there and you wanted to knock on the door and ask him something or tell him that there was a visitor there to see him, he had this huge booming voice. I mean, you think James Earl Jones or Morgan Freeman. He would growl like, "Go away!"
So they'd knock on his shed and you just
knock on his shed. If you got a growl, you left him alone. So he can be prickly.
They called it the growlery.
The growlery. The growlery.
You guys heard it.
Yeah, this was later in life. His home is I think it's a National Historic Place in D.C. there. Everybody should go visit it. I think it's really cool.
What are some other significant things that